Hey there, it's Nick from Ruly. In this video, I'll show how to use audit logs in Ruly data tables. I'll show how to enable them, how to view them, and how they can help you troubleshoot rules and operations. Audit logs are automatically enabled on all data models. Here we see on this expenses model, there is a Has Audit Table toggle set to the on position. Audit logs can also be enabled on external models, databases, or APIs. Here we are on an expenses external database model. Here we see there is a toggle called Has Audit Table. Turn this toggle on to enable audit logs on the model. Please note that this will create a table in your Ruly database. Audit logs capture every change, inserts, deletes, updates, along with who or what process made the change and when it happened. This gives a complete history of what happened to your data. Let's go to the expenses list to demonstrate on the list. To enable Audit on the list, go into Edit mode and then Properties. In the Buttons section of the Properties, turn on the Audit toggle. Here we see there is now an Audit button. Click this button to open the audit table for this list view. The audit table will display all deleted records for this list in chronological order. I can select individual or multiple records with the checkbox and then click the Restore button to restore these records. Now let's see how to enable Audit on a form. This is done in a similar way to enabling Audit on the list. Go into Edit mode and then Properties. In the Buttons section, turn on the Audit toggle and save. Click the button to open the audit table for this form. Here we see the audit table for a form can be viewed as either a timeline or a list. The audit table shows all changes made to the record and what change was made in chronological order. Please note that on Timeline View, we have the previous value displayed, to and from. Audit lists are useful when you need to search using list filters for a particular change. Audit tables are especially important when you're debugging rules and operations, or trying to understand how a value changed. The rule, operation, and trigger ID columns are populated when a change is made by a rule instead of a user. Let's show how to use audit logs in rules and operations. Here we see at the top of the operation form there is a Changes Log tab. Click on this tab to view the audit table for this operation. Here we see a list of all the new records created with this create operation in chronological order. The Changes log is available on all transaction operations that can create, update, or delete records. Thanks for watching.